All right, so I was looking for some flannel shirts to wear for dog walking and working out in the yard. Just casual everyday wear in the fall time when you like to wear long sleeves. I like pocket shirts. I always like to put stuff in my pocket in the front. So I found these Yair men's flannel shirts. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So let's check these guys out. Yep, we got the Night City plaid here and the acid plaid blue. Comes in a nice Ziploc bag. So let's open this up, take a look. And I will model these for you because I'm a male model. I'll model these for you in a little bit and let you know how they fit a person of my frame and size. Very nice looking shirt. Actually, the colors are pretty good on here. Nice looking flannel, cottony flannel shirt. I have the size 2XL here. Actually, that is a real nice, comfortable feel. It has a nice, comfortable feel to them. Button downs. Let's take a look, see what we got. A good looking shirt. That's a big shirt. Looks big. Am I that big? I'm probably that big. All right, we'll take a look at this guy. Packed very nicely, folded very nicely. Pocket in the front. All right, male model time. Let's check them out. Now approaching the catwalk is Randy. The Night City plaid. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. This thing fits excellent for me, my size, my proportions. I'm 6'2", 245 pounds. Got a little gut. This thing really fits me great. I feel good. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. The material feels great on me. I really like this. The pocket is right here in the front, right where it's supposed to be, like a pocket should be. I can't tell you how it looks because I'm not exactly a dedicated follower of fashion, but it feels good. I like it. All right, let's try the blue one. And all right, here we are with the blue one. And I actually like the way this looks on me. Colors are a little bit more suited to me. Again, to be honest, it fits exactly perfect for someone of my size and frame. And it's exactly the same as the other one that I just tried on. It fit that both of them match up perfectly. One isn't smaller than the other or larger than the other. Nice flannel material. It feels good. It's not itchy or scratchy. I'm enjoying wearing this actually right now if it wasn't 80 degrees in here. This will be great for the fall. This will be great for all kinds of stuff. Good casual stuff, out going for walks, working in the yard. Nice looking shirt by Yair. Check it out if you're looking for a good flannel shirt. Tell them Randy sent you, the male model with the ballerina-like figure.